my name is JoJo, and today I'm going to be giving you another makeup look. First, I'm going to start off with the MAC Fix Plus to prep my face. And then I'm going to set my eyelids with the NYX Cosmetics Milk Pencil. I like to use this because it's the most affordable, and I just really like how it's tacky and I can just set it with a powder. I like how vibrant the colors are when I apply them on my lid. So if you're looking for an affordable primer for your lid, I suggest getting the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Now that I've finished priming my lid, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm using this eyeshadow single by Anastasia in the color Prussian Blue. As you can see, I'm packing on the shadow at the outer crease and then slightly blending it in to the mid-center of my lid. Doing this will help you with the blending, so when you add shadows, more specifically darker shadows, make sure you're smart on where you put it. After adding that blue shade, I'm going into the Aurora palette by Anastasia. Oh no, I have a sad face because I broke the shades in the palette. Dipping it into that purplish shade, I think it's called Horseshoe, Purple Horseshoe. And I'm applying that highlighter shade with a fluffy brush and blending out that blue eyeshadow that I put on earlier. Moving on to the lower lash line and adding the Prussian Blue eyeshadow, and then also moving on to the lower lash line on the left corner and adding that purple highlight. Right here is the glitter lip gloss by Lime Crime, and I'm just using this as a glitter base onto my eyelid. Next, I'm applying this shade called Denim Smoky. It's by Anastasia, and I'm creating this crease. Then I'm dipping into Purple Horseshoe once again to blend out the harsh lines. Okay, sweetie, now here's the hard part. Well, at least for me. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics white liner, and I'm creating this image of a shooting star on my eyelid. Y'all, I just found out that this part that I'm drawing right now is called a stream. I looked it up on the NASA website, and I finally learned the anatomy of a star. So I'm just creating the stream part, and then in the inner corner of my eye, that's where I'm going to draw the actual star. The look so far. Yep, that's my face. Readjusting the camera. And then on the other side of my eye, I'm just drawing another star and little itty bitty stars next to it. Moving forward, I'm using this brow pencil by Etude House in the shade Dark Brown. I've been loving this product because it's not harsh or dark. It's actually a really good color against my skin tone, and it creates this softened look once I finish. It's time for foundation, and I decided to use the Maybelline's Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. And I'm using a Morphe brush to apply the foundation all over my face. Up next, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Wonder Stick Duo Contour Stick, and I'm contouring my nose, and later my jawline and forehead. Now I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Palette, and I'm dipping into this medium brown shade to blend out my contour. Here I have Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm using that to bake. Applying that on my cheeks, and then near my jawline, and on my chin and my nose. Alright y'all, I gotta talk about this product. It's the lip tint by 3CE, and it's in the shade Explicit. I love this product because it's very lightweight on the lips, and what I love about it is that it's a softened color. It's not too opaque, not too dark, and not too transparent, but it gives you enough color and flush on the lips, and that's what I love about it. Sadly, it's quite expensive, so gotta save up for some more shades. And now I'm going to apply a glitter shade, or a glitter topper, on top of that lip shade, and I'm using the Lime Crime glitter lip gloss in the shade Lit. Using a fluffy big brush, I'm going to dust off that baking powder, just kidding, that translucent powder that I put on earlier. And then I'm moving on to highlight. Here I have Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk Palette, and I'm applying that Twilight shade onto my cheeks. This is an extra step, you don't have to do it, it's optional. I'm applying this pink glitter shade onto the inner corners of my eye, just to give it a pop of color. And then for another add of color, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and I'm using that hot pink shade to add some flush to my face. And for the very last step, I completed the look with some lashes. Okay guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked my content, please like and subscribe. See you next time.